Hi guys, today's video we're gonna do an insulation test for a newly rewind stator winding of a compressor that has a burnout history. We have two sets of winding. First winding has a lead 1, 2, and 3, and the second winding has a 7, 8, 9. For testing, we're gonna use a Fluke insulation multimeter. Black or negative test rod we're gonna attach to the body, and the red test plate will attach to the winding leads. The tester is set at 500 volts because the compressor has a supply voltage of 380 to 400 volts. We can use the test button in the multimeter or in the test rod. In a Yuli rewind compressor, we should have a reading 100 to 550 megohms. And below 0.5 megohms, it means it's defective. We're gonna test right now the test lead 1. So it's 550 megohms reading. Then we proceed to lead number 2, 550 megohms, and lead number 3, it's 550 megohms. So it means this first set of winding is okay. So we proceed to the second set. Lead number 7 has a reading 550 megohms. Lead number 8, 550 megohms. And lead number 9, 550 megohms. So both set of windings are in perfect condition. We're done with the insulation testing. Please subscribe and follow my page, guys. Thank you.